In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the oil cooler seal on your INFINITI G35. Pull your dipstick out slightly and remove the oil cap. This vehicle is supposed to have an engine underplate. Remove that now. If you have it, our car does not. Using a 14mm wrench, undo the oil drain plug. Have a drain bucket below you before you take this out. Remove the plug. Remove the old drain plug gasket. Remove the oil filter. Have a drain bucket under this, it will leak a bit of oil. Using a 22mm socket, remove this inside bolt on the oil cooler. Pull the oil cooler housing forward. Remove the old gasket. I'm going to wipe the area, make sure it's free of any dirt that'll sit inside of the sealing area. Install the new seal. And then push it up into place. There's going to be a little cut on the side of this oil cooler housing. Line that up. Then put your center bolt in. Torque this bolt to 36 foot-pounds. Install the oil filter. You want to make this nice and snug so that it's not going to leak, but so that you can still take it off next time. Install the new crush washer onto the drain plug. Install it into the pan. Then we're going to snug it down. Torque the drain plug to 25 foot-pounds. Fill the oil. Install the oil cap. Snug that down. Put the dipstick all the way in, and then pull it out. We're going to check the oil level. There's a high and a low mark with a hash in between it. Once you're done with your oil change, you want to make sure you're all the way at the top of the hash marks. Once you're there, you're properly filled, and you can insert the dipstick back.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.